Mabuhay, Kamustika, welcome. How are you? This is Bob from Love Beyond the Sea. I just now walked in from work. I worked a little overtime today, 11 and a half hour day. My wife over here cooking already worked 12 hours. She got home before I did, and I had a little delay, but when I get home here, I smell this wonderful food here. This is hamburger. It's going to be turned into sloppy joes, and I'm going to have some of those tonight.
Tonight.
What do we got here? This looks like chicken. You know we haven't had chicken in a while, I don't think. Sloppy joes, chicken. This will probably last a couple days. I am hungry, and here we've got some leftover pizza from today and some, looks like some...
No, today, my love.
Oh,
That
well,
was Saturday.
we bought this a couple days ago, but
Saturday.
we're starting to eat it today. And these are some treats that left over from work. I guess they were kind of hard, so they gave them away. So Isa picked up some of those. So, you know, long day for both of us, and this woman marches right in and starts cooking away. So this is good for you if you marry a Filipina. That's the view of our kitchen here, because she loves to cook, even though she works about 55 hours a week, and that includes overtime. She works 12 hours a day
55.
normally.
Yeah.
About 55, you know,
76.
a week. Oh, not in 1 week. You can only work 60 in a week. We get paid every 2 weeks.
I'm sorry. I'm bad.
So yeah, she might get 30 to 36 hours
in 2
overtime in
weeks,
2
it's-
weeks.
In 2 weeks, it's 80 plus 116 hours.
She has so many hours she works, she can't even add it all up in her head. That's so many hours. But we're gonna have to eat here, and then hurry up, shower, go to bed, rinse and repeat. You know, and I'm gonna have to be working some overtime too, with her in her own department, by the way. So just wanted to show you this again. I guess maybe I'm bragging a little bit, but this is what you can expect when you are married to your love beyond the sea. Mabuhay, Kamustika, welcome. How are you? This is Bob from Love Beyond the Sea. This is my wife, who is about to go to work. It's getting late for me because I'm working tomorrow. It says 8:32. What are you making there, sweetheart?
Pancit.
Pancit?
Pancit.
Pancit?
Yeah.
I don't know how to spell these, but I have to learn. But
P-A-N-C-I-T.
P-A-N-C-I-T. To me, it looks like delicious noodles
Yeah, like
and
here
beef.
it's lumen or whatever, how to pronounce that.
Yeah, and
The
like we
Chinese-
buy at the
Chinese restaurant.
Chinese buffet. What's it called? I
Okay.
can never remember the name
China
of these
buffet.
places. Well, China buffet, and there's a place nearby. It looks like that's beef, noodles.
It's not beef, it's pork.
It's pork. Okay. Well, the pork that she buys tastes really good, so I'll probably eat this for dinner tomorrow. It looks absolutely fantastic. She's got soy sauce, and of course, over here we've got family back in the Philippines. It's in the morning there, and she was teaching her little 2-year-old niece how to make this food over here. I don't know where she went. I was talking to her just a moment ago. Precious, are you there? Daddy B wants to see your pretty face again. She'll be here. My wife is making this. She's got her food for tonight, and she's got my food in the refrigerator for tomorrow. She's making this food for either one of us tomorrow.
Oh, this is for tomorrow, huh?
Yeah, this is fantastic. A Filipina loves to cook, and that's something, if you're looking for a more old-fashioned traditional wife who likes to cook for her man, well, a Filipina is at the top of the list there. She does not make food for me that I do not enjoy. The food that she makes is very Very delicious food. And we have a pantry here.
Oh, it's dirt, and it's
She doesn't want me to show you it, but we got a pantry here with food. We got a refrigerator full of food. She just bought some, so she's making some food for us. And all the while able to communicate back home now and then. Little niece is probably a little shy this morning, but that's something always that your Filipino will want to do, communicate back home and cook some Philippine dishes, and it's all part of being married to a Filipina. So I just wanted to take a quick video here showing you the cooking skills of my love beyond the sea.